Hello from Seoul. If there's a Hall of Fame for appetizers, this one takes the crown without a doubt. And the best part, it's ridiculously easy to make in your kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making chicken lettuce wraps, one of the most beloved Chinese appetizers of all time. Sweet and savory ground chicken wrapped in crisp, refreshing lettuce. It's really hard to find a better appetizer than this bad boy. And the best part, it's ridiculously quick and easy. So I really want you to give this a shot. If you do, you will find yourself making this dish every single week. For this, you will need some chicken, water chestnuts, shiitake mushrooms, garlic, ginger, green onions, and lettuce. And this is totally optional, but if you want that extra crunch, like PF Chang's, then grab some rice vermicelli noodles. With this bad boy, you will get that exact restaurant quality texture right at home. Alright, let's prep the chicken first. Get yourself 1 pound of chicken breast and finely mince it. I'm doing with a knife, but if you can get ground chicken, go ahead and use that. Honestly, I wanted to use the pre-minced one too, but I had these bad boys sitting in my fridge, so I had no choice. Now, let's move on to the veggies. Take 100 grams of water chestnuts and roughly chop them. This is the real hero that gives you that insanely crisp texture, so please do not ever skip this one. Next, finely dice 3 shiitake mushrooms. Once that's done, smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. And then grate a small knob of ginger, about half a teaspoon, will be enough. Lastly, grab 3 to 4 green onions and thinly slice them. As always, the whites are gonna be stir-fried to infuse our oil, and the greens are gonna be used for a beautiful garnish. So make sure to keep them separate, like this. Now, let's make the sauce. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 2 tablespoons of water, a few shakes of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Couldn't be any easier, right? There's literally no reason not to try this at home. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, you're set. Let's get cooking. In a large pan or pot, add a good amount of oil and heat it to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. What? No thermometer at home? Don't worry about it. Then just heat the oil until you see a little bit of smoke starting to rise. If the oil temperature is too low, these bad boys will soak up all of that oil and won't puff up properly. So make sure to get that oil really hot. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a cup of rice vermicelli noodles. They will puff up literally within a few seconds. And once that's done, remove them from the oil and drain on a paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. Now it's time for the chicken. In a large wok or pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the ground chicken and spread it out evenly. Season with a pinch of salt and let it sear for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the bottom turns golden brown. Here, do not touch the chicken. If you stir it around, it will release a lot of moisture and that's gonna bring the caramelization. That browning on the bottom is what takes the flavor of this dish to the next level. So please just leave it alone. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Once the bottom turns beautiful golden brown, flip, break up the chicken, and saute for about 2 minutes or until most of the liquid has evaporated. Now add in the water chestnuts, shiitake mushrooms, and stir fry them for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken is fully cooked, remove them from the heat and set them aside. In the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the garlic, ginger, white parts of the green onions, and saute those for about 1 minute to release that amazing flavor. Now, some of you might ask, Aaron, can we just cook them all together with the chicken? Sure, you can do that too. But building this aromatic oil is what gives this dish that next level flavor. So please follow my lead. You won't regret it. Once your kitchen is filled with the amazing aroma, add the chicken mixture back into the wok and stir fry them for about 1 minute or until everything is coated with our beautiful aromatic oil. Now pour in the sauce and stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes or until everything is beautifully coated with the sauce. That's it! Super simple, right? Now let's turn the heat off. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil and give it a final mix. Alright, everything is done. Let's start plating. Put some crispy fried rice noodles on a serving plate and then place our beautifully cooked chicken stir fry right on top. Normally, PF Chang's uses iceberg lettuce that's been soaked in ice water to maximize the crunch. But I'm just gonna use this romaine because I have too many of them at the moment. But don't worry about it. It will still taste amazing. So just use what you have on hand. As always, everything will turn out fantastic. Last but not least, finish it off with our love, green onions. That's it. Couldn't be any easier, right? Alright, you wanna know how it tastes? Let's go to our taste tester.
Claire. Chicken lettuce wraps. Ooh, sounds like the perfect dish for hot summer days. Can't wait to try. Ooh. 와, 집에서 해도 비주얼이 근사하게 나오네. 썸네일 찍는다고 여기 하나 만들어 주셨네요. 요거 먹을게요. 냉큼 먹어버려야지. 아주 정성스럽게 막 파까지 심어가지고. Super hungry. Cheers. 너무 맛있다. 썸네일 찍는다고 정말 정성 들여서 모든 재료를 한 입에 빠짐없이 자기가 만들어줘서 그런지 더 맛있게 느껴지는 것 같아. 일단 이 소스 얘기를 안 할래 안 할 수가 없다. 이 소스가 되게 짭조름하면서도 되게 약간 리치하거든? 이 양상추가 딱 그 느낌을 되게 가볍게 산뜻하게 싹 바꿔주면서 너무너무 맛있다. 아삭아삭 씹히면서 가벼우면서 뭔가 상쾌한 그 느낌? 진짜 너무너무 여름에 딱이다. 맨날 말하는 거지만 왜 여름에 너무 더우면 먹기가 싫잖아. 식욕을 잃잖아. 그 잃어버린 그 입맛을 다시 가져다 준다. 너무 맛있어. 사실 양상추가 되게 아삭아삭 많이 잘 씹혀가지고 요 녀석의 존재를 생각보다 느끼지는 못했어. 좀 제대로 느껴보기 위해서 또 팍팍. Cheers. 약간 아삭아삭하면서도 기름이 좀 추가가 됐잖아. 더 맛있을 수밖에 없겠죠. 내가 원래 이 음식 처음 먹었었을 때 물밤이 엄청 맛있었던 게 기억이 나는데 물밤을 한번 먹어봐야겠어. 물밤이 잘 안 느껴지는 것 같아. 그래 요거지. 물밤이 있어야 된다고. I remember when I first tried this dish, I was not familiar with this ingredient. Water chestnut. So I kept asking Aaron, what's in there? It is so crunchy and so satisfying. If you are not familiar with this ingredient, I'm pretty sure you'll be like me. You should give it a try. 내가 만약 정말 슈퍼 심플 버전으로 이거 만든다고 하면은 치킨 그냥 메리네이드 한 다음에 그냥 상추랑만 먹어도 게을르긴 하지만 맛있는 그런 버전이 나올 수 있을 것 같아. 충분히 맛있을 것 같아. If you are too lazy to fry these vermicelli noodles like me, then try with some NG. If you are too lazy like me and don't wanna fry this vermicelli noodle, then try with some tortilla chips. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be good too. 딱 이건 딱 먹자마자 그냥 맥주 안주예요. 대낮이긴 하지만 우리도 조금 한 모금만 먹어볼까요? Bring some beer! Hope you guys try and enjoy! Bye!
Today, I showed you how to make chicken lettuce wraps, one of the most loved appetizers of all time. How was it? Super easy and simple, right? But that doesn't mean we sacrificed any flavor. The moment you take a bite of the lettuce wrap packed with the super flavorful chicken stir fry, you're gonna experience one of the best appetizers in the world. So I really want you to give this a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.